Hi guys, today we talk about Oppo Reno 12 Pro versus Vivo V40. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro launched on June 2024. The price is $500. The Vivo V40 launched on July 2024. The price is $550. The dimensions of Reno 12 Pro: height 6.47 inch, width 2.96 inch, thickness 7.5 mm. The Vivo V40 dimensions 6.46, height, width 2.95 inch, thickness 7.6 mm. The weight of these devices: the Reno 12 Pro comes with 180 gram and the Vivo V40 190 gram. And the build: Reno 12 Pro front glass, plastic back and plastic frame. The Vivo V40 front and back glass and plastic frame. Both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM cards. For the display of the devices: the both devices come with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size: Reno 12 Pro 6.7 inch, the Vivo V40 6.78 inches. The resolution of Vivo V40 is 1.5K and the Reno 12 Pro 1080p. The VPN of Reno 12 Pro is 394. The Vivo V40 453. The refresh rate is 120Hz in both devices, and the screen to body ratio: the Reno 12 Pro 89.4%, the Vivo V40 90.1%. The Vivo V40 comes with Corning Gorilla Glass screen protection, and the Oppo Reno 12 Pro comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The Vivo V40 comes with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The Reno 12 Pro 1200 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup: the Reno 12 Pro comes with 12 triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom, an LED flash, HDR panorama, 4K 30fps video record. The Vivo V40 comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide with this optical ring, LED flash, panorama, HDR, and it's got 4K 30fps video. The both mobile come with 50 megapixel selfie camera with HDR and 4K 30fps video record. The platform: the Vivo V40 comes with octa-core Cortex A750 2.63 GHz CPU, and the Reno 12 Pro comes with octa-core Cortex A78 CPU with 2.5 GHz. And the chipset: Reno 12 Pro comes with MediaTek 7300 Energy 4nm chipset, the Vivo V40 Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 4nm chipset. And the GPU: Reno 12 Pro comes with Mali G6615 and the Vivo V40 and Reno 720. And the Vivo V40 comes with Android 14 Fun Touch 14 operating system. The Reno 12 Pro comes with Android 14 ColorOS 14.1 operating system. The memory: Vivo V40 comes with 8 and 12 gigs of RAM and the Reno 12 Pro 12 gigs of RAM. And the both devices come with 256 gigs and 512 gigs of internal storage. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro Sport Micro SD card 2. The battery backup: Vivo V40 comes with 5500 mAh battery and the Reno 12 Pro comes with 5000 mAh battery. The both mobile come with 80 watt fast charging, and it could not support wireless charging. And the both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and the feature of these mobile: it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC infrared port, Type-C 2.0, fingerprint under display, UFS 3.1 and IP68 and IP65 water and dust resistant. The result of these devices: the Reno 12 Pro got 22 points and the Vivo V40 got 20 points.